Hey guys, welcome back. So our 72 Nova we're working on, we're going to start removing the upper cowl, the right outer cowl box. We'll start prepping it all for replacement of all new sheet metal. Hope you enjoyed my videos. This is just my garage I work from whenever I have spare time. It's my wife's 72 Nova. Little story behind it. She had one when we first got married over 30 years ago, and I always promised her I'd get her another one. Well, if you've looked at the prices of Novas anymore, they're astronomical. So I found this one, got a good deal, and I'm not scared to do body work, paint, any of that. I do all my own work. I don't farm any work out to anybody. I do it all on my own budget. Nobody's funding me. So with this, hope you really enjoyed my videos. They're not the greatest. They're not some big collaboration corporation that's doing it. It's just me, my backyard, and my garage. So, like I said, if you have any questions, comments, need any answers of anything that I know, time to time I may ask you a question or two, because I don't know it all, and far from ever think that I do. So, I hope you really enjoy my videos, or at least learn something from them. And if not, at least you learn how hard it is for me to get it done. Alright, well, enjoy my videos, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you. Hey guys, welcome back. Got the right cowl box off. Got the upper cowl out. Yeah, it was pretty bad, as you can see. Still gotta get the inner cowl out right here. Clean all this up here, and start cleaning everything up, getting it all back together. Yeah, it was pretty rotted, pretty rusted. Ain't enough poor 15 in the world to clean that up. So let's try and stop that rust, and wasn't worth trying to patch it and replace it, so it's easier just to replace the whole thing at that point. I got a complete new inner and outer cowl, and we'll throw this in the pile of our scrap. We'll move forward with it from there. Then I'll repair all this up in here once I get it all fitted, get the lower box in, matched up with the firewall. So we're making a little bit of progress. So stay tuned, keep watching. Hope you enjoy my videos, and if you do, like and subscribe, and watch the build as it progresses. Alrighty, you guys have a great day. Alright guys, well, we got the upper cowl off, the right side outer cowl. Got a little bit of cleanup to do, a little bit of rust repair. Got a pinhole right up in here. Got a little damage right here I got to fix. A little bit of cleanup. But here's the braces that your lower cowl sits on. And that's where it conforms. Got to clean all these edges up still. Get all that done. And we can start reassembling. I got a little bit of damage over here I got to repair. I got to replace this piece right in here. And clean it all up. Get it all ready for the outer cowls to go back on, and the upper and lower cowl, and getting a little bit of progress. I'm going to clean it all up, get some Pour 15 down in the holes, and just make sure everything's all nice and clean before I put it all back together. Alrighty, well, I hope you've enjoyed my videos, and if you have, please hit the like and subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next video. Thank you. Have a great day.